Everyone, I'm going to Target. This is a Target main road. This is 13647 Fairlake Shopping Center, Fairfax, Virginia. Let's go inside. I'm here to buy. I'm here to buy a specific item. Um, so this is protein powder. I can say it's for my son who is in tweens age. I can say who is around 10 years old, and then he likes his protein powder a lot. Let's go to the kids section. So this is not the first time I'm buying this thing. Also, I'm here to evaluate same stuff also, some specific brand. So let's go to the brand section. So I'm going to protein powder kids section. Excuse me. Thank you. Let's go from that side. So this is the protein powder section. I'm here to evaluate this protein powder, organic protein powder. This is green box, and then I want to tell you that which protein powder I generally use for my son. Premium protein. It is liquid. It's very yummy for him, and then sometimes I use organ. Like I didn't use too much, but I'm planning to buy today. So this is the blue one is having 50 superfoods, and then green one is having original, I think, vanilla. This is vanilla bean flavor, and other one is creamy chocolate fudge, and there is creamy chocolate fudge is there, and then vanilla bean. There are only two flavors, and this blue one is 50 with 50 superfoods. There is no 50 superfoods over here. Okay, I'm expecting the protein powders in the kids section, and this is all the kids section, I think. No, I think some adults superfoods is also there. So this is kids protein powder this side, and the adults are on the other side. I'm expecting this in the health section, and then they categorize it as a protein powder on the top of the aisle. And then what other location I can maybe expect this in maybe nearby other food section, near the grocery section, fresh grocery section, where nearby fruits and vegetables, like, because this is also healthy stuff. So I'm expecting this powder in that section also, in the Target. What I think about this is this is a very good protein powder, and it is yummy. There are very two flavors only, but those are very yummy. Like chocolate is the best one. Vanilla is little extra sweet. And then what I think about the packaging is very good, and this is categorized in two colors, green and blue, and then they are telling us all the nutritional information even on the front. The bean shape and the chocolate shape is prominent in this in the front of the box. So and it gives us the flavors also, shapes, and then some more information here. So a lot of information on the box itself, And then what catches my attention is the colors, the prominent colors, blue and green. What I like about the packaging is the lot of nutritional information, and there is nothing which I dislike about the packaging. Price, it's saying $29.99 and then $19.99, $24 also. So I guess it's good because these things are generally little costly in prices, but they are giving you good benefit and nutritional benefits. Flavors I like both. The only thing is vanilla is little extra sweet and chocolate is perfect balance. What helps to making purchase is their flavor definitely and their size. I'm not buying today because I already have protein powder in my home for my son, so maybe next time, but I'm here to evaluate this protein powder in Target right now. So maybe after a week or 10 days I'm gonna maybe buy some protein powder like that. So this was the product which I evaluated, and then it comes in two flavors, and then it's a very good price, $24.99. Some box are $19.99 also, and then this is in kids protein powder section, and then I think I can expect this one in some health section, like near the grocery where fruits and vegetables I can expect there also. So right now I'm not buying because I already have at home, and then I have this one also at home. So I'm not buying anything today, but maybe in the week or so. Thank you.